What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're back with some more Space Engineers. Now, last we left off, obviously we didn't have a base cam. Base cam finally came in, that's great. Love it. Alright, it's been working great so far. Let's see, we made some changes to the ship, obviously. We added some guns, because, you know, we needed some guns. We added some armor, because we needed some of that. Still need to armor up the backside a wee bit, but for right now, I think it works. Alright. We also came here, stopped by, grabbed some magnesium, because we needed that for ammo for the guns, which we are still making, I think. I probably ordered up a bit more than I actually need. Where is it? Yeah, I definitely ordered up a wee bit, quite a bit more than I actually need here. But that's okay. What are we missing, actually? Hold on. Yes, we have some magnesium. We don't have... I mean, we have iron, so never mind, but don't have. We do have. Looks like we're just out of magnesium. Okay, cool. We'll grab some of that real quick. All fine and dandy here. Now, I also stopped by our, Iron 2 node. And I found something interesting, and I forgot I gotta turn on my HUD. Good job, me. Alrighty. Let's see, but yeah, I found something at Iron 2 that I think you guys are gonna appreciate. We're gonna... you'll see it when we get there. But we're gonna go there today, so that's gonna be a fun time. Alrighty, I'm gonna just grab maybe, like... maybe one more, thing of magnesium, and I think we'll head out to Iron 2 then, shall we? Alrighty. We are gonna need some iron anyway, so might as well grab it while we're there too. You know. But I found something very interesting, and I think y'all will appreciate it. Alright. That's that. Cool beans. Okay, now where the hell did Iron 2 go? Iron 2, hit our H that way. Alrighty. Thankfully, I lucked out on armor placement here. It's, I wasn't quite sure if we were gonna be taking damage. From the... you know, from our, forward thrusters, I wasn't sure if we were going to be taking damage enough closer to the batteries, but it looks like we don't, which is a good sign. Alright. Let's see, we can probably speed up a wee bit more yet. Alright, let's see. Well, how far can we push this? I'm thinking we push it all the way up to 300, sure. Sounds good. Drink me some pink lemonade out of my snowman cup. As I like my snowman cup. Alright. It coming in on 14. 13. Love to see it, love to see it. Come on. Come on, game. I would like to be done with this. And we're gonna check inventories and stuff real quick, see how production is going. Okay, it's looking like we still might not have enough magnesium. I'm not quite sure on that, though. Alright. Hope it's still there. Should be. I left pretty much everything intact. Oh, yep, it is still there. Good. Good. Alright. We'll stop by Iron 2 first, grab some iron and all that fun shiz, because we are gonna need it. Right. Slow down, bish. Slow down. Alright, and then we're gonna... I forgot where the iron was on this thing, too. Bullets. Either right there, which I don't think it is. Now that I'm looking at it, no, probably not. Let's see, where was the iron fish? I know there's two spots for iron. There's one that's in a hole somewhere that I lost, and then Actually, that might be the hole right there. I'm looking at it. Never mind, it's not the hole. Good. Great. Great, great. Great. If I could just find the hole with the iron, that would be great. Or a hole with the iron. I know there's a freighter around here that has iron, I just forgot where exactly. I think it's one of these, though. Maybe. I have no idea, actually. I was just here yesterday, goddammit. Where could it have gone? Okay, well, anyway, that's not what we're mainly here for today. Anyways, where is the other asteroid at? The close one. Not that. Where is the close asteroid at? Is it that way? Okay, cool. So, it's somewhere this way. Most likely. Oh, come on. Where did it go? It was just here. Oh my god. This is not what I wanted to do today. Ah, it's over there. Alright, you see that little... Okay, we're gonna turn off that for a second, but you see that little blue speck right there? Let me see if I can get the crosshairs here. Right. See that little blue speck by your crosshairs? That is a ship. We're gonna go to it. Specifically, it's a space pirate ship. But all its guns are disabled. I made sure to disable all the guns before I even started this, so you know. But I only had 2 guns anyways. One of them was already detached. I just detached the other one. So yeah, I did check it out, but I didn't grab anything from it because, well, besides maybe some parts from a door and steel plate from armor blocks, but other than that, hey, don't shoot at it. I need it. God damn it, I forgot to turn my guns off. Good job, me. Alright. Okay. And now, as you can see, it has pretty much a full tank of hydrogen right here, which is nice. Thankfully, it didn't get shot to pieces. Alright. It should have a connector somewhere down here. Yes, it does. Okay, cool. Alright. So what we want to do... So we want to get a connector, probably like right here. Okay. And grab some steel plate first, at least. Can we even build one? And yo, let's go. Alright. And as per usual, painted blue. Well, not blue, black. There we go. And then we'll do that. Yeet. Ouch, that shit hurted. Okay. And there we go. Now, all I should have to do here is just maneuver this under here. Also, you might want this switch lock, and then okay, connector strong. Put that to 0 because I don't want that. Y'all know me, I generally kind of hate how that works. Alright. Also, the only guns that this thing actually had on it were all interior turrets, so it wasn't even a big deal. Okay. Don't tell me I have to claim this connector, I probably do. Oh yeah, I definitely do. Oh, time to claim it. Come on. Alrighty. It's mine now, bitch. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's try that again, shall we? There we go. That's what I like to see. Okay, hit 6. Alright, and then we should just be able to, also grab... And we'll do it through cave, sure, why not? Stockpile. Alright, there we go. Okay, now we should have free hydrogen, guys, and while we're doing that, while the ship's doing that, I'm gonna, you know, go grind down the rest of the ship. Alright. So I'll take all the parts I can get, fam. Like, for real. So I'll take all the parts I can get, I don't care no more. Alright. And we'll put away the oxygen as well, I don't really need it. Boy, radio pieces, that's gonna be a pain. Yep. Antenna pieces, rather. Antenna... Shiz, antenna components. They suck. They suck. Hate them. But we gotta grab them. Alright. Should be all of them, so we should be fine. Okay. Oh, and there's 2 of them? God damn it. Alrighty. Oh, and they also had this thing, but I don't think it's active. Or at least, if it's active, it's not functional in the sense that it doesn't have ammo. So that's fine. Alright. Okay, there's that. The ship also has a gravity generator on it, so... Well, I'll be sure to grab that.
Inventory full.
Oh boy. That's not a fun time. I wonder how much ice you had on you, Brewski. Okay. Also, we're probably clear to detach now. Probably. Alright. So we'll do exactly that. First we'll, I think first we'll detach. And then we'll hit our, you know, thing. This thing. Stockpile off. Okay, cool. Alrighty. So that's a beacon. Fuck your beacon.
Inventory full.
Ouch, that shit hurted. Not really, but imagine if being overweight hurt you, though. That would be weird. That sucked, to be honest.
Full.
Yeah. Inventory full. We get it. Okay. Okay. That's gone. Those all should be gone. Yeah. Alright. Oh no, it's a cool ship. I'll give it that. It looks cool. It looked cool. You know, before I shot it up and before it got... Probably before it even got badly damaged. But, you know. Now it's just a heap of scrap. Which is fine by me, guys. Absolutely fine by me. Alrighty. Let's see. Put all this shit in here. Alrighty. Okay. Might as well grab the components from the connector. And then I think we're just gonna grab the thrusters and the gyroscope. Because, yeah, we could grab all this steel plate, but we can honestly make so much more of it. Like, it's not even funny. I'll also be grabbing the gyros because, lots of steel plate, you know, that's gonna be a valuable resource come soon. Alrighty. Come here. Inventory full. Of course. Why wouldn't it be? Grab all the resources on this thing as fast as possible. Kind of. What's this? An ion thruster. Do we care about ion thrusters? I don't think we do. Yay. Alright. And all these metal grids are doing is ensuring that we can build a more ship later. You know, that's all they're here for. Or that's all I'm taking them for, rather. Ensuring that we can build more of this later without having to dip into our own supply of resources. Alright. That thing should be empty, which is fine by me. Although it sounds like it has some other O2H2 gen or something going, or maybe a hydrogen thing. No, oh, there's another O2H2 gen, gotcha. Grab that and any ice it carries, because why not? It sounds like there could even be another one on board. Alright. Oh yeah, there's definitely another one, or maybe an engine or something, I don't know. I'm not 100% sure on all that, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on. Alrighty. I mean, yeah, sure, I guess. Okay.
Inventory full.
That's a whole ass 20Ks of ice there. It's not looking like it's too happy with the ship. Now that it's in the gravity field, it's small enough to start falling. Great. Looks like we might get some wonky physics here in a second, guys. I want to do this as fast as possible. Come on. There we go. Now the size is cutting down. There is, wait, what? No, there it is, okay. Got turned around there for a second. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay, come on, just a wee bit more. Alright, there we go. Now that's not gonna be a problem. We're not gonna get any broken physics. Yay. Alrighty. I just grab the rest of these hydrogen engines. Okay. Badly damaged, I don't even worth it, not really, but it'll take you anyway. What? That don't make sense at all. Oh, now it does. Okay, cool. Great. Oh, I was about to say there. Alrighty. That in. I don't know what this story is. Wow. Alrighty. Well, I mean, I feel like we've taken enough from this ship. I'm tired of looking at it now. So, let's get back to our Iron 2 situation. Figure out where the iron thing was, because why not? I mean, we could also probably actually potentially just go back to the 1. Okay, there's our hole. But, I mean, Iron 2's right here, and I think I just spotted it. Yo, let's go. Alright. Okay. Some more pink lemonade out of my snowman cup, cause snowman cup. Alright. Let's see. What else do we got going on that we can probably immediately do? Let's see. I kind of want to make more changes to the ship, but I don't think I want to make them right now. You know? I'm not quite sure I want to do that just yet. Oh, I forgot the gravity gen off the other ship. God damn it. We'll grab that later. We'll grab it later. Also, probably set a mental reminder to grab it before we head back to Hole Sweet Hole, if we decide to do that today. Alright. Okay. Grab this out. Yeet. Oh, how I love this game. It is the best. I don't care. Alrighty. You in there. You're gonna get sucked in. Here. Cool. I want to throw you in here. That way we have just a wee bit extra room. I want to grab that because no littering. Yes. Alright. Okay, let me grab some more resources for ski. Alright. I definitely am gonna need a mining ship later. Definitely. It is just gonna be a must. Obviously it's gonna be a must, but it's gonna be more prevalent as a must later. Alright. Now, if I can just, you know, remember that we have this thing down here at all times, you know, I think we'll be alright. I think we'll be alright. Gotta make sure that there's no other random floaty bits. Alright. Oh, there is one random floating bit there, that's cool. Okay. Alright. And there's more random floaty bits. Gotcha. Okay. Got the stone in there as well. There's my floaty bits, there they are. Okay. I think this will be the final pass here. And then we'll head back to the hole. Actually, we gotta head back to that ship first, and then we'll head back to the hole. I forgot to grab the gravity generator with the gravity components. Alright. Where was the ship at? Not that way. What? That way. Okay, cool. I think it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. Alrighty. And yes, our freaking guns are still off. They kinda have to be. Okay. Posted in here at a nice, cool 38.50 already. And then bring it to a full stop. Alright. Now to get those gravity components. They're right here. Yo. We're practically full up there. That's fine though. Alrighty. Got all this in here. We grabbed all the important bits, so it's fine. That's all I really wanted. Alright. Now let's go back to Hole Sweet Hole. Okay. I just want to make sure I get lined up here. Alrighty. And we'll post in at around maybe 200, 250. See, can we get up to 200, 250, please? Thank you. 250, gotcha. Close enough. Alright. I mean, while we're here, we can always, you know, take a look at things, see how things are going, see if we need anything, if there's anything that has anything we might need. I highly doubt it though, because I can barely see shit anyways. From this distance, so from this distance at least. There we go. Those are words, yes. Okay. Alright. Let's see, we're getting about 3Ks in, so, you know, slow her roll, slow down. Alright. I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, this is the hole. Okay, yeah, I see my, little stupid building there. Not even a building, it's just a line. And it just marks where we are. Right. Almost crashed, that's fine though. Still annoyed that this isn't exactly flat with the ground. But better than nothing, I guess. Alright. So now let's see, what can we do here right now that is going to benefit us? I think what we need to do is we need to start establishing like a perimeter around the hole. I think that's what I'm going to do first. Alrighty. And we'll paint. Actually, you know, I'll just leave it black, and if those are blue or something, we'll change them later. Doesn't really matter to me. Alright. I'm thinking we probably want to go out 4 blocks. 1. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. Not here. Down and over there. Okay. Actually, this would probably be better on foot. Alright. We and we and we. Okay. And y'all can kind of get the gist here. We're just gonna go around the entire thing. Alrighty. And yeah, I know a lot of you probably don't like the undercut shiz, but hey, it is what it is. Right? See. And do that, maybe go up. That. Okay, and now we're just starting to get away from the ledge, gotcha. So maybe we need to start getting a bit more aggressive here. Maybe, probably. At least more aggressive with our turning. Maybe, probably starting around, not here. Probably right before it starts dipping in. Should probably be somewhere around, like, right here-ish. Yeah, definitely like right here. And by getting more aggressive, I mean it's 1 block over. We do like 2 or 3. This, there we go. Alright. There? That may be, yeah, I think so. Alright. Well, I mean, I guess it works right there, sure, why not? Alright. Over this way. Alrighty. And then this is where things get a little bit dicey up here because, you know, steep hill and all that fun shiz. Alright. Yeah. And this is where we pretty much just abandon the pattern. But it's all fine. It's all good and dandy. We're fine. Everything and everyone shall be fine. Alrighty. Oh, not that, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna get back on solid ground here and see if I can't at least cover this. Oh boy. I think what we might do once we get our miner in, we might level this out just a wee bit. So that way it matches up more with this. Maybe. We'll see. Alright. Okay. Great. That's that. Honestly, we probably don't need this perimeter, but good to have it, just in case. Also, I should probably not have you in the hole, because you are kind of our main line of defense, and I should probably also turn the guns on. So that would help a shit ton, probably. And then we'll turn these back on. Yeet. Alright. Okay, back to this. Alright. I know this is probably not the first thing I should be doing, but I'm doing it, alright? This is probably the last thing I should be doing, honestly. If we're being honest here, it's probably definitely most likely the last thing I should be doing right now. Alright. But, do I care? Not really. I do not care at all. I am gonna do me, and I am gonna do me forever. Alright? That probably came out wrong, but you guys get the gist. Sure you do. Alright. Okay, now we can go back in a wee bit. I think a fair bit, actually. There we go. Alright. Go back down, sure. Down as far as you can. Make sure we're always connecting to the ground, at least a little bit. Alright. There we go. And yes, this is gonna be one huge ass project, but a lot of it I'll try to get done, you know, off camera. I'll try. No promises, but I'll try. Alright. And we're just kind of laying out, like, kind of what we're thinking we're gonna do here. So I do want a perimeter around this, mostly because, you know, drones and people that can probably come and kill us, you know. It's not gonna be a fun time if we have people trying to kill us all the time and we're not covered. Anyway, I think that's fine for right now. We got at least halfway through that. Just about halfway, just about. Alright. Now here's where the fun begins. Because we are gonna place a couple blocks this way, this way. This way. Probably some, like, right here. And here. And here as well. If you can guess what this is gonna be, 10 bucks. Yeah, 10 bucks. Not from me, probably from somebody else, but $10 question, guys. $10 question. What do you think is going here? You guessed, what was it? Gun tower. You guessed correctly. Alright. Okay. Alright. And yeah, I know, we don't have anything to really put here right now. We don't have any refineries, any assemblers, anything right now, but that's the beauty of this game. We can build out whatever the fuck we want. Whenever the fuck we want. Alright. Now, I'm thinking that our first platform should probably not be all the way down to the bottom, just because I'm thinking it should be down here. Alright. Well. Let's see. And that does definitely give us enough room to, like, try and build big ships, so that's fine. Alright. Cool. Okay. And of course, this is again gonna take forever to do all this, but that's fine. I'm not the guy to, like, make jump cuts, so this is gonna be either a well, it's obviously gonna be a multi-episode thing anyways, but you guys all probably already knew that, not to mention the fact that, you know, I'll probably do some work on this off-camera, probably, most likely. You guys know me, I'll do off-camera work, sure, I just won't do jump cuts. No jump cuts for this guy. Oh, what do I have against jump cuts? I have nothing against jump cuts, I just don't like doing them. Alright? Simple as that, I just don't like it. I don't... The less time I have to spend editing the video, the better it is off for me. I don't care about editing, I'm not great at editing. You know, it's just not my thing. However, if someone wants to edit my videos, please speak up, because, I mean, I may not be able to pay you, but if you're willing to do it for free, hey, I'm all for it, alright? Like, I'll start recording longer videos just so you can edit them, alright? But until then, you know, this is just how it's gonna be, you know? It's just how it's gonna be. Alright, yeah, I know, I realize. I'm just building this new platform more and more out. But that's kind of the idea. Kind of the idea. Right. Bad? No, don't do that. Alright. So now, we got this platform, eh? What do we do with it? I don't know. What I do know is that I want this all to be flush with the wall. I have no plans as to what I'm doing. I'm just going off a whim here. Alrighty. We'll figure out a plan as things go along. But for right now, we're just building this for shits and giggles, pretty much. So I have no idea what I want this platform to be. I don't know if I want it to be a landing platform, if I want it to be like, you know, actually, you know what I'm building actually sounds quite nice. We're gonna hop in our ship, refill our oxygen, refill our hydrogen, all the fun shit, alright. Okay, maybe refill our energy too while we're here. Alrighty. So far nothing is approaching except for the parallax shadow. And even then that's starting to go away now, so that's fine. Always gotta keep an eye out for drones though, because you never know when a drone's gonna spawn in and ruin our day. Alright. Now that I'm looking at this, I think I have a pretty good idea of what I want it to be. Or what I kinda want it to be. Let's see. Shut it. Alright. Okay. Alrighty. think we go 3 blocks tall, at least for right there, and then up here, alrighty. Maybe up one more there, yeah, I think so. Alright, oh, bad sack, don't do that. Alright. And then I think that'll be that for height. Okay. Now, obviously, this is not going to be a landing platform, right? It's not the landing platform. I think I want the landing platform still a wee bit below this. Actually, quite a fair bit below this, if I'm being honest. Alright. This guy in here. And again, all this is subject to change. It's always subject to change, you know me. Everything is subject to change. Because I can't stick with a single thing for shit. Alright. We'll do that, sure, why not? Alright. And then... let's see, I think... we connect you up here, like so. Okay. You guys can kind of see the shape I'm going for here a little bit. Alright. And then... I think we'll do that, sure. And then we'll do this. This guy. And this guy. Alrighty. There. There. There, and there. Alright. There's that. That's fine and dandy. We can also afford to get rid of. Come on, don't do that. Don't do all the stupid shits, man. What are you doing all the stupid shits for? Alright. There we go. That's a bit better. Okay. And then I think what we do now is we grab our 6s here. And sign on, bear with me, bear with me. You have no idea what's coming next here. Absolutely none. And then we take our 4s here. Okay. Alright. Now, how do we solve for this, you might wonder? Simple. We just grab our 5. Easy. Easy. Alright. But then how do we solve for right here? We grab our 7s. I'm pretty sure anyway. Maybe. I think this might be a conflicting thing here. Probably, yeah. Most definitely, yeah. Oh boy. What is the abomination I have built here? Because I'm not going to be able to get anything. Actually. Haha. Ha 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 ha. I did it. And I just gotta do it again. There. Okay. We build up this. Okay. Alrighty. And I think... yeah, we're just gonna have to go with this, huh? Yeah. Alright. No, bad. Don't do that. God damn it. There we go. Alrighty. And there. Okay. I think we do that, maybe that, a little bit of that. And then, I'm probably gonna wish I had girders and stuff built up, but we do not. Unfortunately, we can fix that though. Alrighty. Okay, production girders. Build me a lot of them. Also, we probably don't need that many. Yeah. We'll be fine. Everything will be fine. We'll all be fine. Okay. Gotta need some girders. And I want a couple of the windows if we can actually. We do not have them unlocked, do we? Look at that. We do not. What do we need to build them? What do we need? Well, it looks like we need to build some sort of light. That should be easy enough. There. Alright. Okay. That's still. No windows still? What? Am I just dumb? Oh, these are all LCD panels. I'm stupid. Where are the windows? Windows. Ah, interior. And not that way. This way. Alright, there we go. Now we're good. Also, I'm gonna just grab myself an auction bottle, so that way the UI shuts up about it. God damn it. And we'll hop in here as well, because why not? Okay. There we go. Alright. I think we'll get these windows placed down, and then I think we'll call it good there, guys. Okay. Definitely want a 2x3. And some 1x1s, I think. I'll place down the 2x3 here. Alright. There we go. Okay. Now that I'm looking at it, you might even want a couple of the 1x2s. Okay. And now, I think instead of having corners, they can just have these. And these. And these, okay. I thought I wanted stuff here, but I guess I don't really want stuff there, so that's fine and dandy. Alrighty. Boy, oh boy, y'all are gonna love this. Once it's all built, I still don't know what it's gonna be. I feel like it's kind of gonna be something that just kind of looks over everything, you know? Speaking of, I think we get rid of this. And we get our 7s. AKA these guys. Actually, not our 7s, our 8s. There we go. Alright. Just so that we have, you know, a way to look down further. You know? I want to be able to see all the way down. I don't know why, I just kind of do. Alrighty. We get back to the ship real quick. Okay. Alrighty. Anyway, guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. As always, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!